I have to add something spicy. Look at this pink color. I really love it. Hola amigos, I'm Ulises. I'm a professional chef. I've been working the last 5 years in plant-based cuisine. Yes, doing plant-based dishes. And something that I really love is make the food and eat it. And also I love to share with you kind of tips, tricks, and some kind of methods that I've been doing while I'm preparing or doing this or making this kind of food or dishes. Today we're gonna make one recipe without recipe. Yes, one recipe without recipe. That's insane, right? Pickled onions. It's very easy. Look at this brilliant color. Look at this pink color. It's amazing. There is a little thyme. There is a little dill, mustard seeds, and whole black pepper. Yes, it's very easy. Vinegar, water, sea salt, and onions, scallions, green onion, and shallots, pear onions, also cucumbers, carrots, basically with anything. Herbs, aromatic herbs, spices, toasted spices, and roasted spices. I don't know, we can make with basically anything. It's very easy and simple, this recipe. So I hope you stay until the end of this video. You won't regret it, and you're gonna make one recipe without recipe. Quack, 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 quack. Let's do it. Let's do it. So amigos, basically what do we need? Right now I have 2 jars. I mean, one jar and the other is kind of jar. We're gonna make something simple. One recipe without recipe. Okay, one knife. First, what we're gonna do. So amigos, same portions, water and vinegar. Right now I'm gonna try to make a calculated. Something like, how much could be of this? 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups. Okay, 2 and 2, 4 cups. Okay, whatever recipe that you're gonna do, same portion of white vinegar. Is this right? Is this exactly? Okay, amigos, 2 cups of white vinegar. And also 2 more cups of water. Bring to the boil. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Good amount of sea salt. So when my brine is boiling, so right now I have time to cut my onion. If you're using scallions or shallots, do it. I mean, that right now I'm using this kind of portion of water, but if you're gonna cut small onions or you're gonna make it a double batch, or you're gonna make a double recipe, please bring to the boil more water and vinegar. If you don't have white vinegar, apple cider vinegar works good also. So I'm gonna cut my onion on half. I already removed the sides. A little bit, just a little bit. Okay, this is the worst part of this recipe. I don't wanna hurt your feelings, but sometimes people cry when are cutting that onions. Okay, amigos, just dissolve very well the sea salt. Make sure that it's dissolved very well. Once it's boiling, just turn off the heat. Okay, it's not ready, it's not boiling yet, but have to wait a little bit. So amigos, actually I didn't mention what I have right here. I have 1 garlic clove. Also, I'm gonna clean it. It's very easy. So amigos, right now it's time to cut my onion. So I really love to make the shortcuts instead the long onion. Just I'm gonna do it on this way instead on that way. So all it's up to you actually. You can do it the same or you can do it another way. Amigos, this is horrible. No. It shouldn't be on my pickled onions. So if you see this kind of ugly pieces, just remove it. Look at this ugly piece. Yeah. Looks bad. So, oh my god, the smell clean. So I'm gonna fill my bottle. So look at this jar. I really feel them, but this is the best part of this video. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this beautiful herb. Oh my god, smell good that time. It's good time to add it that time. So little thyme and 1 clove of garlic. Also, I'm missing something. If you want, you can toast it. This. Your garlic, also your mustard seed. Right now, I'm gonna add it half teaspoon of mustard seed. But this is kind of 1 cup and a half of onions. But it's good. It's good amount. Should I have to fill it more? No, it's good. Why don't add it some dill? Fresh dill. Doesn't smell. Oh my god. Doesn't smell a lot. Fresh dill. Oops. Sorry for that. And a little bit more of fresh dill. So amigos, basically you can do with any other herbs. Also, you can add it. I have right here cumin seeds. I have whole black peppercorns. It's whole black peppercorn. Yeah, it's whole black peppercorns. You can toast them. I said before, right? What else I can add it? Should I have to add it something spicy? I don't know. What you think about it? Chili flakes? Yes? Why not? I found you. I got you. Okay, a little bit. Just a quarter of teaspoon of chili flakes. Amigos. It's almost boiling. I mean, we can do it so fast. I can boil it so quickly. And boom. Just fill it. Basically, it's just that. Just fill it. Just cut my onions and fill it. It's basically that. No, it's very simple. You have to add another spice. Wow. Amigos. Black peppercorns. Why not? 2, 4, 8, 10 black peppercorns. So amigos, then I have right here my pickled onions and the water start boiling. So right now I'm gonna turn off the heat. I don't wanna make that mess. And it's just filling. No. Yeah. Wow. So just make sure to submerge everything in the brine. Make sure to submerge everything in your brine. So amigos, why I'm added first all the ingredients and later on filling with the brine? Because that helps to melt better the flavor. Smell a lot vinegar. I mean, I hate the vinegar drinking by itself. And that's it. That's it. Very simple to make pickled onions. It's very easy. So, amigos, just remember, before storage your pickled onions in your fridge, I mean that they can spend like no more than 2 months. I'm pretty sure that 1 month. Just make sure, just watching them. If you see kind of mold, something like that, don't remove it. Just throw away. It's very cheap. Don't put on risk your health. I mean, sometimes people is missing that, like me. Sometimes I'm missing kind of food in my fridge, and instead of putting risk my health, just throw it away. It just have onions right here. It just have onion, vinegar, and water. I mean, don't risk your health. And I'm gonna show you something right here. This is how it really looks like the color. This is from last night. 1 day later, the color is brilliant. Look at this pink color. I really love it. And it's gonna turn into this color for sure. Look at this difference. Oh my god, it's nicely, right? Just remember, when you're gonna storage your pickled onions, just make sure until your brine is cold, completely cold. And also don't forget to merge everything, or everything should be in there, in your brine. Look at this. Right now it's still hot, but just let it cool by something like 1 hour. Just leave it right there, and once it's ready, just close with your lid and storage. And also something that I really love is made one label. You can make your label and you can see when you really made it, if it works good, or even how it's going after 1 week, 2 weeks, how is the taste, how really is the flavor after 1 month, even more than a month, how really change the flavor. That's gonna make you play with your creativity. You can do anything basically. You can add, I think people added some bay leaf. So amigos, when you're doing any kind of recipe, if you have a little extra or you don't wanna waste, make your pickled onions. I don't wanna waste it, but I don't wanna make more pickled onions, so I'm gonna save it for my other dishes. And also I shared and I post soon that videos. If you really love this recipe, share it. I'm gonna leave it below the recipe. I hope you get it. Those pickled onions is a recipe that you should add basically to anything, any kind of dishes. See you soon. Peace and love, amigos.